So what you probably noticed about these designs is that they have a very narrow container. So the nice thing about this is this takes into consideration the measure, which is the number of letters per line. So for example, we can easily inspect the max width of each of these containers. So you can see roughly it is around 388. So if we just check the others, and this is by world famous designer James McDonald. So if we just have a look and go here, we inspect. Does that zoom in? Don't know. So let's see, the width is around 418. You can see here. Then we go to Michael. Here we can see Anthony Bruno. Around 5. Oh. This one. Can't seem to inspect the right thing. So we can go here. There we go, computed reboot, which is absolutely gorgeous. And this is how they show off the work. And they're not having a really large screenshot of the work, which I think is quite neat as well. This is slightly large. And then Logan, we have around 512. I've actually applied this to a framer template that I created called Solid, and you can check it out on solid.framer.website. And I've made this for free as well, and I've been looking at a lot of these different trends. And let me see if I remember my max width, which is probably 448. Yeah, roughly around there. And then we got padding as well. So yeah, around 448 including the padding. So the nice thing about these type of trends or this type of design is that you're keeping the max width nice and narrow. And I think this goes in with mobile phones. We're so used to scrolling on our mobile phones. So this is a very nice and easy thing to put on your own designs for your portfolio. And this takes into account the measure or typography, so you're not having a really long width line of text to read. So yeah, let me know what you think in the comments. And lastly, I just want to say thank you. We have reached 5,000 subscribers, so I just want to thank everyone for that, and I'll see you in the next video.